I'm Matt with Etrailer. If you're looking to upgrade your old safety chains for either your fifth wheel or your gooseneck trailer, then BulletProof Hitches 38-inch safety chains are going to be a great option for you. And if you are upgrading your chains, when we're looking at our old ones here, you'll notice it's not a very long chain and they're kind of rusty. That's kind of given if they are some older chains. They probably need to be swapped out at that point. Now, when you are pulling your trailer behind you, especially anything like a horse trailer like we have right now, typically that's going to have an offset ball. And when you are trying to make that connection here, sometimes it's going to be a really tight fit, it's really going to strain. You're really not going to have that issue with these chains that we're talking about today. These are going to be rated for 18,800 pounds for the brake limit. It's also important you just check what your vehicle is rated for and then go from the lowest rated component so you don't damage anything. And the length of this is going to be 38 inches, which is going to be more than enough for most trailers out there. Now, if you find yourself using this and you have a lot of slack here, you want a little bit less, you can just simply use a different length further back so it looks a little bit nicer too. Now, let's say you have this paired up with a ball mount trailer, and that spot where these mount to is in a really awkward spot, so you actually need more length. And if that is the case, we do have some extenders here on our website to help you get that distance. So this is going to be a 5 1/16 diameter. Ian says it right here, so if you ever forget, you know where to find it. And the same thing is going to be for the links. These are also going to be 5 1/16. Now, when you are using this, you'll find that this moves here pretty easy. I don't have too much resistance against here. Now overall, I think these are going to be a solid choice, especially it being from BulletProof Hitches. Their ball mounts, all their other products that they make are usually quality made, and you can definitely feel it just handling them now. Now we're going to have a lot of different options here on our website too, if you need something a little bit longer or just something a little bit different in size as well. But if you do decide to go with this, we'd love to see how you're using, what type of trailer that you're pairing it up with either a picture or a view. Now, if you're curious about how to get this mounted onto your trailer, just stay tuned. We'll walk you through the process. So you're going to notice there's quite a bit of a difference between the two chains we have here. So this one's almost twice the length of our original one. Now, getting off that original one, it's going to be pretty easy. Now, and that's going to be mainly due to our setup today. With these mounting points that are already built into our kit today, all you have to do is pull these two pins and take off the clips too. And once that's done, I can take this off. Now, depending on your setup, you might have a different type of mounting point. If that is the case, there's going to be plenty of different options we have here on our website so you can get this into place. Or you just might have to do a different process than us. But to put the new one on, it's going to be the reverse, where we put that link through here, put the pin through, and then secure it with this clip. And if you have a breakaway switch, this is a good point where we can just install that now, pushing it through here, and then connecting it to the other side. That's pretty much it. Now, there's a couple other things you can do at this point. You can pull your vehicle over here and act like you're going to connect to see if this is enough length for you or if it's too much. If it's too much length, just adjust which link you're using back here and you're going to be set. And then when we're done, we can just put these hooks right up top like that. Now, of course, if you guys have any other questions, let us know here at Etrailer. And again, I'm Matt, and thanks for watching.